Hi honeys, welcome back to my channel. I'm at Makeup and this is Banu, and if you are a new visitor to my channel, you're the most welcome, and please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to join the Beehive family. And today the video is going to be about June favorites. So without further ado, let's get started. So as I said, today the video is going to be about the June favorites. So let's start with the skincare first. So talking about the skincare first, I have this face mask from Good Vibes in this papaya glow face mask, 50 grams packaging here, and I have completed almost this stuff. And this retails for around 250, but Purple have always sale on this. This face mask is really so, it gives you an instant glow and it makes your skin so soft and supple after applying this. So for the skincare, the first product is this Good Vibes papaya glowing face mask, glow face mask. So let's keep aside and move on to the next product. So moving on to next product, I have, this is a face toner from Ash Goodness. It is a cucumber toner, guys. I'm just using this from a week and this is so refreshing, guys. This is so cooling and I just fell in love with this toner and it is so refreshing on your skin. I have used it in my previous video, I think so. So this is the toner, guys, and it retails for rupees 195, but as I said, the Purple has always a discounts or sales going on. And one more thing, what I'm going to say is the products which may work on me may not work on you. So whenever you are going to purchase which I'm showing as my favorites, please do concern what your concerns are. Please do know what your skin type is and what you need. So let's move on to next product. So for the next product, I have this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. It retails for rupees 299, but when I have purchased, it's again in a sale. So I have bought it for rupees 250 around. So this is my third favorite and I have a detailed review on this moisturizer in my previous videos. So I will provide the link in the description box and I will also add the I button here so that you can go and watch right away after watching this video. So this is my third favorite from June. Next, I have one more product from Good Vibes again, hydrating face mist in the fragrance Jasmine. It is so cooling, guys. It is also, the smell is so subtle and it smells really good. So, and it retails for rupees 150, and this is my June favorite, one of the June favorites which I have. Good Vibes is a good brand in affordable range for skincare and I have completed all this bottle. So this is my fourth favorite from June. So let's move on to hair care. For hair care, I have this Mamaearth Argan hair mask with argan, avocado and milk protein. So this is the packaging, guys, and it is for frizz-free and stronger hair. So many people have used onion hair mask. I don't have hair fall, so I have chosen this argan hair mask because my hair is voluminous and so frizzy. I just have applied this at the ends of my hair. So I have used this twice a week in the month of June, and trust me, guys, it really clears your frizz, makes your hair soft and smooth. I never applied all over my hair. I just applied it on my endings. It really worked, and this is my favorite mask from Mamaearth. It's an argan hair mask, guys. From mamaearth.com, I bought it for rupees 499, I think so. Yes, 499. So this is one more product which I have added in the June favorites. So let's move on to makeup products now. So my first favorite is this Maybelline concealer in the shade medium. It really works really good, guys. It really conceals your under eyes well. I feel that, it worked for me, so I am definitely going to add this as my favorite from June. It retails for rupees 475, but I have bought it for rupees 350 around in Purple, again purple.com. So moving on to next product, I have this lipstick from Nykaa, which I have a detailed review again on this lipstick too. So I will make sure that I will give you the link in the description box and I will share the I button too. So this is in the shade Athleisure. Guys, I really like the product, but it is a little bit expensive, but however the color is really, I do like and I do love. So I'm definitely going to add this lipstick as my favorite from June. So next product I am going to show is this highlighter palette from Makeup Revolution. It's the Fierce Mind highlighter palette. It have really four shades, and I think I have a first impression video. In the previous video which I have made, I have used this palette. I fell in love this with, guys. It is a subtle highlighter, and now also I'm using this highlighter only. It has a really subtle glow. It don't look like so chunky or shimmery. So this is the next product which I have added in my June favorites. The final product is the makeup remover from Garnier. It is a Garnier micellar water. I have already used this and I have purchased a new one. So this retails for rupees 175. So this is the micellar water which I really love. Garnier also have a oil infused micellar water, but I don't like that because it have a fragrance in it which I don't like personally. So I prefer this clear micellar water. So the last product which I have added to my June favorites is this Garnier micellar water. So that's all for today, honeys. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what the other videos you would like to see in the comment section down below, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and families. So let's meet in my next video, guys. Until then, be positive, be happy.